So I've just bought this wooden table, foldable table. Really happy with the colour of it. It's a really nice dark wood. Very easy to set up. This is the instructions, so it's super simple. So setting up the legs are super simple. This is all it is. And all you need to do is you just pull it out, make sure it's locked in place. That's it. Do that for all four sides. It's good to go. Here is the finished product. So you can see it's got a really nice finish on it. It's a nice wood effect. The good thing about this table, it's heavy. It feels like a good weight, but not too heavy to move about, which is excellent for the size of the table. The legs are sturdy. You don't feel it moving at all when you put things on top of it. And just to show you what we're doing, we actually run our own wedding business. So we're going to use this to display a few things, such as things like this, where it's going to be like an audio guest book and signs and all that behind it too. So it's really practical for that kind of thing, because you can fold it away really easily, lightweight enough that you can move it about, and it's good high quality that I can show it at a wedding. So I'm definitely happy with it, definitely recommend.